Every year, millions of us are involved in car accidents. And for most, the accident itself is just the beginning of a long, frustrating journey. A journey of phone calls, paperwork, and waiting. But what if that entire process could be settled in minutes, not weeks? What if fraud could be detected and stopped before it even happens? This isn't science fiction. This is the agentic shift, and it's about to completely revolutionize the insurance industry. The vehicle insurance industry is under immense pressure. They're facing a triple squeeze. First, rising settlement costs are eating into profits. Second, a wave of experienced claims adjusters is retiring, leaving a massive talent gap. And third, customers, used to the instant gratification of the digital world, are demanding faster, smoother experiences. The old way of doing things is no longer sustainable. For years, we've had automation, simple bots following rigid rules. Then came generative AI like ChatGPT, which could understand and create content. But it still needed a human to tell it what to do. Now we have Agentic AI. This is the game changer. An agent is an autonomous entity. It can perceive its environment, reason, make decisions, and use tools to achieve a high-level goal. It's the difference between a copilot and a true autopilot. So what does this look like in practice? Imagine a claim comes in. A traditional generative AI might draft an email asking for photos. An agentic AI, on the other hand, will analyze the initial report, determine exactly which photos are needed, send the request to the customer's phone, validate the images with computer vision the second they're uploaded, and if the damage is minor, trigger the payment. All without a single human touching the file. This isn't magic. It's a sophisticated technology stack. It starts with a unified data foundation, a data lakehouse, that gives the agent a real-time 360-degree view of the situation. Then, a robust integration layer allows the agent to communicate with all the different systems, from the old mainframes to the partner repair shops. And at the heart of it all is the orchestration framework, the cognitive engine that allows the agent to think, plan, and act. Instead of one super agent, companies are building teams of specialized agents. A manager agent that delegates tasks to a document analysis agent, a valuation agent, and a fraud detection agent. The ultimate goal is the zero-touch claim. It begins the moment of impact. Your car's telematics system automatically sends a crash pulse to the insurer. An intake agent creates the claim, checks your policy, and even dispatches a tow truck before you've had a chance to call. Next, a visual inspector agent uses augmented reality on your phone to guide you through taking perfect photos of the damage. It analyzes the images, identifies the parts needed, and generates a line item estimate in seconds. A liability analyst agent then acts as a digital detective, analyzing the police report, witness statements, and telematics data to determine fault with incredible accuracy. Finally, for straightforward claims, a negotiator agent makes the payment directly to your bank account. The entire process, settled in minutes. But with faster claims comes a new risk: fraud. Agentic AI is also the ultimate defense. Network detective agents use advanced graph neural networks to uncover organized fraud rings that are invisible to human investigators. They can connect the dots between seemingly unrelated claims to spot the patterns of criminal activity. Behavioral agents analyze digital body language, how someone types, where they hesitate, the angle of their phone, to flag suspicious behavior in real time. This is no longer pay and chase. It's predict and prevent. This isn't just theory. Industry leaders are already deploying these systems. Allianz is using a human-in-the-loop model where agents assist human experts. China's Ping and has created a vast ecosystem that can settle claims in minutes. And AI-native companies like Lemonade and Root have built their entire businesses around the concept of a zero-touch claim. The road ahead isn't without its challenges. New regulations like the EU AI Act require human oversight, banning fully autonomous black box decisions. And there are complex legal questions about who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake. But the biggest shift is human. The role of the claims adjuster is evolving from a processor of paperwork to a manager of AI agents, handling the complex, sensitive cases that require a human touch. It's not about replacing humans, but augmenting them. By 2026, the insurance industry will be divided. On one side, the autonomous enterprises operating with incredible speed and efficiency. On the other, the legacy carriers struggling to keep up. The agentic shift is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a strategic imperative. The future of insurance is here. It's autonomous, it's intelligent, and it's happening now.